Cameron was riding his bike home from the elementary school, which is about a quarter of a mile from our house. And he was riding his bicycle on the sidewalk. He believes that the driver gave him the right of way, and so he proceeded to go through the intersection. That driver ended up hitting him on the back side of his bicycle with the left side of his car. So Cameron was almost completely past that car by the time that car hit him. He was flung over the top, the bicycle came down, and Cameron landed on the handlebars, and they ended up putting a big gash in his face, a scar that he'll have for the rest of his life. The police wrote in the report that Cameron was fully liable for this accident because he was riding his bicycle against traffic, which is against the California Vehicle Code. In my heart of hearts, it didn't sit right that a 12-year-old boy could be responsible for an accident with an adult licensed driver of a vehicle. At that point, I decided to contact Penney Associates, and Fred and his staff were excellent at easing my wife and I's burdens and taking the phone calls away from us. Our son was healing, the medical bills were paid, and at this point, it just came time to hold them financially responsible for the injury that they caused to my son. We were able to settle the case through mediation, and we settled it for the maximum amount of the insured's policy. Penney Associates are amazing. They've eased our minds from day one. They made the process simple. If I had friends and neighbors who need personal injury attorneys, I would definitely refer them to Penney Associates.
Well, the first and most important thing is to talk to the client and find out what their needs are. And cases range anywhere from a rear-end auto accident to a catastrophic death. Every case is different, but the most important thing is really getting to know the clients and seeing their needs and helping the family out. A lot of times it's just sit down and talk and chat and find out what's going on. We feel we have an advantage over other firms in that we know a lot about the insurance industry and some of the things that they do and the loopholes that they try to pull. And you know, it's a traumatic experience when there's been a catastrophic injury that the family has gone through, and it's important that we as lawyers are sympathetic to that and yet stay focused enough to prosecute the case as aggressively as we can.